Alright guys, for this video we're going to find volume of a sphere, and I have the formula sheet at the bottom of the part that we're going to need, which is the volume section, where we'll use 3.14 for pi, and then we're going to round to the 10th place at the end. Okay, so volume equals 4 times pi times radius cubed divided by 3. Okay, I know it looks a little different, but it still works out the same. I'm going to substitute my values. My radius is 2, which that was nice that they gave us the radius versus the diameter and trying to trick us. We know 2 to the third power means 2 times 2 times 2, which is actually 8. And then 8 times 4 will give me 32. I have not addressed the 3.14, so I'm going to keep it with me. And then I'll divide by 3. So I'm going to split my screen to get my calculator out, which kind of hogs up a lot of my screen, but that's okay. Now I'm going to do 32 times 3.14, which gives me 100.48. I'm not going to round to the end. Divide by 3. And that gives me a volume of 33.49. I stopped there because we're rounding to the 10th place. 4 is in the 10th place, so that's going to go up to 5. Because 9 is greater than 5, so it's 33.5 cubic centimeters. All right, let's do another problem. I'm going to close this out until I need it. Okay, so in this one, we're doing the exact same thing, except on this one, we're trying to trick you, and we gave you the diameter that's 11. However, we need radius, which will be 5.5. You don't have to label it, but I just think it forces you to make sure you use the radius versus diameter. We get in a rush. 4 times pi times radius to the third power divided by 3. So I'm going to plug in my values. And 5.5 to the third power. Now I'm going to split my screen on this one again. Oh, I messed it up. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's get back to it. Sorry, I definitely messed it up. 5.5 times 5.5 times 5.5. I'm kind of old school, so I don't like to rely a lot on the calculator. So when I cubed 5.5, I ended up with 166.375. I need to multiply that by 4. And 3.14, and then at the end I'll divide by 3. So this problem actually makes me be very grateful that we get to use a calculator. 0.375 times 4, 66 point. When you multiply multiple numbers, order doesn't matter if they're all multiplication. So I'm ended up with 2089.67. I'm going to divide that. I think I spend more time with this calculator. Gosh, 20. Sorry. This is not supposed to take this long. I'm really sorry. If you're still here, I apologize. Divide by 3. And I end up with the volume of 696. The first 5 is in the 10th place, and the number to the right is 5 or greater. So we'll actually move up to 6. And so there goes my answer. I am sorry I used a lot of the calculator. I was trying to speed it up. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.